The rebranding of the 4K clubs is a response to the need to align our agricultural policies and programs to the dynamics of a fast-changing society powered by the innovations, creativity, and talents of our young people. There is no question that Kenya enjoys a youthful, talented, and energetic population, which makes it well-placed to harness the exciting opportunities on offer in agriculture. We must aim, therefore, to equip our young people in schools and out of school with the skills, the values, the attitudes that will enable them to navigate the complexities of the modern world. The initiative that we are launching today is part of my government's commitment to create new opportunities for young people in every sector of our economy. Dear friends, the agricultural sector represents the single largest and one of the most important platforms for income generation, employment creation, and food security. And indeed, Kenya's economic growth has always been heavily reliant on the performance of the agricultural sector. And the sector has directly contributed an average of 25% of our country's GDP over the last 2 decades.